Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord cache error on Windows. Many users see cache-related errors when opening Discord or sending messages, and it usually happens due to corrupted cache files. First, close Discord completely. Make sure it's closed from the system tray, not just the window. This ensures cache files aren't in use. Step 1, clear Discord cache. Press Windows plus R. Type %appdata% and open the Discord folder. Delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. This removes corrupted files causing the error. Step 2, restart Discord. Reopening Discord after clearing cache often fixes the problem. It will recreate fresh cache files automatically. Step 3, check file permissions. Make sure your Windows user account has full access to the Discord folder. Restricted permissions can block cache creation. Step 4, run Discord as administrator. This ensures it can write cache files without restrictions. Right-click Discord and select Run as administrator. Step 5, disable conflicting software. Antivirus, firewall, or cleanup tools may delete cache files unexpectedly. Temporarily disable them and check Discord. Step 6, update Discord. Older versions may have bugs causing cache errors. Download the latest version from the official website. Finally, reinstall Discord if the error persists. A fresh install clears all corrupted files. This usually resolves persistent cache issues. So yeah, fixing Discord cache errors is about closing the app, clearing cache folders, checking permissions, running as admin, disabling conflicting software, updating and reinstalling if needed. Follow these steps and Discord should work without cache problems. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next